So Windows 11 is now focusing more on gamers, right? I mean, even in the latest builds, they've added this debloater configuration in GP Edit, which already tells that Microsoft knows what people are searching for. Like, most of us try to remove those background tools that kill performance. And yeah, even FPS drops happen because of that nonsense running in the background. Let me show you. If you open GP Edit by clicking on the Windows search button, then type GP Edit, press Enter to open it. Let me quickly expand it. Okay, now click on Administrative Templates in the Computer configuration. Then on the right side, click Windows Components, look for App Package Deployment, and open it. Once you're inside, look for Remove Default Microsoft Store Packages from the system and open that. Okay, before doing anything, make sure to read here. It's supported only on Windows 11 version 25H2 Enterprise or Education Edition. Now at this point, I'm like, wait, what? Only Enterprise and Education? Bruh, I never felt the difference. Even for day-to-day use, it's literally the same. Same File Explorer, same Microsoft Store, same default apps. That's why it feels kind of pointless when Microsoft locks new debloat or control options only to those editions. It's like they're giving the tools to people who don't even need them, while pro users, the ones who actually tune and tweak Windows, are left without. Okay, now, since as a tech girl, I can say like 70% of people don't even use Xbox. And according to the last survey, there are around 15 million Xbox users, while Windows has about 400 million total users. And if we compare that with PC gamers, Fortnite has over 250 million monthly active players, and Minecraft sits around 230 million across platforms in 2025. So yeah, it really feels like Microsoft is focusing more on the business side instead of what users actually want. Anyways, now that feature is not available yet, I'll show you an alternate way that works even better than Microsoft's own thing. If you Google ChrisTitus Tech GitHub, you'll find his page. Just open it, copy the stable branch, that's the recommended one, and run PowerShell as administrator. Paste that command in there and it'll load up this awesome tool where you can install, tweak, or remove features safely. Before doing anything, always create a restore point, so if something goes wrong, you can roll back easily. Now, once the tool loads, you'll see different options: Standard, Minimal, Clear, and Get Installed. Choose Standard, don't apply yet, and tweak the selections manually like I did. I'll show you my setup so you can screenshot it and follow along. Oh, and yeah, you can enable the Ultimate Power Plan right from there too. Then click OK and Run Script to apply everything. After that, restart your PC and boom, your Windows 11 will feel way smoother and more stable than before. If you're tired of Edge still running in the background, you can also disable it completely from the same tool. Honestly, I'm so disappointed with what Microsoft's doing lately. I don't hate Windows 11 itself, but it's frustrating how messy and bloated it's become, especially for gamers and content creators. Every older version of Windows had its era, but this one feels like it's losing touch with its real users. If any of you know a good alternative OS, I'd love to try it and share my thoughts, because at this point I'm really done with Windows 11. But I can't fully leave it because of compatibility. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. If you've got suggestions or tweaks I should check out, drop them in the comments. I'll really appreciate that. And yeah, see you in the next one. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.